So Dynamics GP roadmap, there is a lot of talk out there. GP is dead. Other software vendors, that's a big saying for them. GP is dead. You must buy a new software and get off of it. GP is not dead. We're still selling brand new GP implementations. So it's not dead. It's not going away. Microsoft is still providing updates and next releases. Like Sean just showed you, there was a new release that came out end of October, and that's when GP transitioned from GP 2018 to just GP, Microsoft Dynamics GP. So now there's no number behind it. It's just always going to be called Microsoft Dynamics GP. But they're going to continue to do it. And even if they didn't, even if they stopped coming out with new releases today, GP 2018 is going to be mainstream supported through 2028. So that's still 8 years away. So there's no rush to jump ship. There's no rush to, there's no reason to panic. We got to get rid of this software. For those of you where GP works and it fits the bill, great, keep it. Nobody, like I said, it'll be around for and supported for at least 10 more years. So, there's no harm there. If, though, you feel like, there are some business processes that maybe it doesn't handle 100% for you guys, and you guys are having to do some stuff outside of the system or manually, or maybe if you're just curious to see what else is out there, we can certainly demo. There's Dynamics 365, which is finance and operations. It used to be called Dynamics AX. We have also Business Central. So two products that we could map your GP into if you wanted or needed to move to a different platform. The Business Central product has some connectors built in with GP. So in Microsoft's mind, a lot of folks that are currently on GP, the path would be to eventually move off into the Business Central product. So there is some connectors where it will pull data, migrate data over for you guys automatically. In the newer versions of GP, starting with GP 2018, you will see on your homepage in GP where it says Intelligent Edge, and it's a link, and you can click on it. And basically, that is a link to BC, for lack of a better word, where it can pull some of your GP data in for Power BI reporting and other capabilities. So, like I said, I know there's a lot of information out there and a lot of misinformation, and we just want to, talk about it. Obviously, as updates come out, we'll keep you guys updated as well, but, we've not been told that GP is dead yet, and we're not acting like it is. So there you go. As always, though, if you guys have any questions, or like I said, you're having to do stuff outside of the system, maybe it is time to evaluate your software and see if a move to one of the other products makes sense.